I'm here at Piazza Navona. What a beautiful square, right in the middle of Rome. And because of that central location, best place to start our walk. If all you want to do is see the Colosseum, then it's about 30 minutes from here. However, if you're interested in seeing some more sites, and who isn't, then I've organized a route that includes an additional 7 stops. So those sites include the Altar of the Fatherland, the Capitoline Museum, the Mamertine Prison, Trajan's Column, the Roman Forum, the Arch of Constantine, and the Church of San Pietro in Vincoli. Now, since we're making more stops, it's going to take a little bit longer. It's going to be about an hour, but it's well worth it. First stop, Altar of the Fatherland. It's about 10 to 20 minutes from here. Let's get going.
To reach the Vittorio Emanuele Memorial, we'll head south. On the first street you run into, Corso Vittorio Emanuele, make a left. You'll be on this street for a while, but continue straight. When you reach Piazza Venezia, make a right. The Vittorio Emanuele Memorial will be straight ahead.
I'm here at the Altar of the Fatherland. It's a big building, isn't it? It honors Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of the unified Italy. Its nickname, however, is the wedding cake or the typewriter, for obvious reasons. At its center is a large equestrian statue measuring about 12 meters high. Legend holds that the horse's belly was big enough to host dinner during construction. At the base of the monument, you'll find the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, guarded by Italy's Honor Guard. You'll also find the Eternal Flame, which honors those that fell during World War I. I hope you enjoyed the Altar of the Fatherland. Our next stop is the Capitoline Museums. It's about 5 minutes from here. Let's get going.
As you exit the Vittorio Emanuele Memorial, make a left. The first street you encounter will be Via del Teatro di Marcello. You make a left. Look for signage leading to the Piazza del Campidoglio or the museums. Follow that elevated path up to the Piazza del Campidoglio, and that's where the entrance to the Capitoline Museums is located.
I'm here at the Capitoline Museum. The Capitoline Museums were founded in 1471 and are considered the world's first public museum collection. Inside, you'll find famous sculptures like the Capitoline wolf, depicting Romulus and Remus suckling from the she-wolf. It's Rome's mythological origin story. The piazza was redesigned by Michelangelo in the 16th century, and it reflects Renaissance ideals of symmetry, proportion, and grandeur. The starburst was also designed by Michelangelo, and it was reoriented away from the Roman Forum to face St. Peter's Basilica, symbolizing the shift from ancient to papal power. hope you enjoyed your time at the Capitoline Museum. Our next stop, the Mamertine Prison. It's just a couple of minutes from here. Let's get going.
Head southeast out of Piazza del Campidoglio. You'll take a slight right and follow Via de San Pietro in Carcere. We'll find some stairs. Take those stairs down until you reach Via del Tulliano. The Mamertine Prison is on your left.
I'm here at the Mamertine Prison. So this dates back to the 7th century BC, and it was carved directly into the stone of the Capitoline Hill. It used to house Rome's most high-profile enemy. So prisoners were thrown to the lower levels through a hole in the ground and left to die of starvation or executed without ceremony. Tradition holds St. Peter was held here, and during this time miraculously caused a spring to appear so he could baptize fellow prisoners and guards. Today, a well marks the spot where the spring was said to have appeared. I hope you enjoyed the Mamertine Prison. Our next stop, Trajan's Column. It's a couple of minutes from here, so let's get going.
Take the stairs back up, make a right on Via di San Pietro in Carcere. This street will end at Via de Fori Imperali. You make a left, and Trajan's Column will be on your right.
I'm here at Trajan's Column. Trajan's Column stands over 30 meters high and was once topped with a bronze statue of Trajan himself. Now, St. Peter sits atop. The change from emperor to saint mirrors the evolution of Rome from imperial capital to Christian center. The frieze wraps around the column 23 times and has over 2,500 figures, making it one of the largest continued narrative reliefs in antiquity. The scenes depict not only battles, but engineering, diplomacy, and Roman discipline. The base of the column once served as Trajan's tomb. His ashes were interred there in a golden urn. I hope you enjoyed Trajan's Column. Our next stop is the Roman Forum. It's about 2 minutes from here, so let's get going.
Head back east. The entrance to the Roman Forum will be on your right-hand side. You can't miss it.
I'm here at the Roman Forum. Over the centuries, the Forum became the center of Roman legal, political, and religious life. This is where senators gathered, citizens voted, and gods were honored. The rostra, or speaker's platform, once stood near the center of the forum. And that's where famous orators like Caesar and Cicero addressed the crowds. The Temple of Saturn, one of the oldest in the Forum, used to house the Roman treasury and became a symbol of the Republic. I hope you enjoyed your walk through the Roman Forum. Our next stop, the Colosseum. It's about 5 minutes from here.
As you exit the Forum the same way you came in, make a right on Via de Fori Imperali. This will lead you directly into the Colosseum.
I'm here at the Arch of Constantine. So the Arch of Constantine was erected to commemorate Constantine's military success and rise as sole emperor. The battle it celebrates, Milvian Bridge in 312 AD, was said to be preceded by a vision. Constantine saw a cross of light in the sky and the words, "In this sign you will conquer." Its design has influenced numerous arches throughout Europe, including Paris's Arc de Triomphe. I'm here at the Colosseum. What a beautiful arena. So the Colosseum is not its real name. Its real name is the Flavian Amphitheater, named after the Flavian dynasty that started building it in 72 AD. The name Colosseum likely came later, possibly from the Colossus of Nero, a massive statue that sat just outside the arena. The arena could be filled and empty within minutes thanks to its 80 entrances and sophisticated crowd controls. The arena hosted gladiator battles, animal hunts, public executions, and even mock naval battles. The arena could be flooded with water on such occasions. The underground area, called the Hypogeum, was filled with cages, trapdoors, and elevators to surprise the crowd with sudden appearances. I hope you enjoyed your visit to the Colosseum. Our next stop is San Pietro in Vincoli. It's about 10 minutes from here. Let's get going.
As you exit the Colosseum, make a right or go north. You will cross the street Piazza del Coliseo, and you will see a set of stairs. Follow those stairs up. You will end at Via delle Annibaldi, cross the street, follow Via del Fugatali up, make a right on Via della Polveria, then you make a left on Via Udosania, and the church will be on your right.
I'm standing in front of San Pietro in Vincoli. So the name San Pietro in Vincoli means St. Peter in chains. This church was built to house the actual chains that bound St. Peter in the Mamertine Prison. According to tradition, when the two sets of chains from Jerusalem and Rome were brought together, they miraculously fused into one. The statue of Moses by Michelangelo was originally intended to be part of a 40-statue tomb for Julius II. Moses is depicted with horns based on the mistranslation of the Hebrew word rays of light in the Latin Vulgate Bible. That fact sometimes surprises visitors, but in the Middle Ages, horns symbolized divine enlightenment. Where we saw such sites as the Altar of the Fatherland, the Capitoline Museums, the Roman Forum, and of course the Colosseum. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And as always, step by step, let's explore together. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.